The cluster that shapes minds, transform future. This is Cluster 3, the pinnacle of achievement and beacon of excellence. Composing of 12 mighty schools headed by the most enthusiastic and energetic public school district supervisor, Sir Fortunato Sagaino. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves and get ready to witness the parade of talented and skillful athletes of Cluster 3.
Palpak man dito. Palpak malayo.